Lacey Sisters Friend Family. Welcome back to the Lacey family. And I got a special guest with me. It's my cousin Lamia. And we're going to be showing you slime. Now let's get started. I'm going to just be quick. So the first one that we're going to do is, well, I'm going to introduce the colors first. First color is going to be this one, this light pink one, this dark pink one, and this gray one. So
this looks like gray.
Okay, stop. Now we're going to start with this pink one.
I'm going to start this one.
No, me or not. Okay, Mia, come on. Come on. Okay, so, first one.
First one is this one.
Now let's do the test. Poke test. Okay, passed it. As I could. Mia, stop. As I should say, passed it. I said passed it. Now let's do a stretch test.
So pretty.
Pass the stretch test, I think. But oh no!
Oh, look at that.
Mia, stop. Hold on, let me stretch it again. My sister in the back recording. Now I'm gonna do the swirl on Lamia's hand because she wanted it. Now let's do the
First one.
and then the final one, the bubble test. The bubble test. And pop. Stop, Mia. Don't do that. Don't do that. Mia, don't do that.
I'm just going to check.
Well, they can't pass the bubble test, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
It's still a slime, and it is clear. It is clear.
Well,
Clear glue.
he wants to watch the
Okay.
movie.
On. Here, where's the lid? Guys, sorry. Okay. On to the next one. So the next one is going to be this, like pink. It's kind of like darker than this one. And I used to not like this one, but it became like this now, like stretchy and stuff and more poppy. Now let's get on to the test.
I don't know what happened to my slime.
So the first one, I'm gonna pop.
I don't have none. I don't have no slime, just them. Not me.
Girl, who talk about that right now?
I want some slime.
Can't. Well, he pop, but
I don't have any slime.
I can't hear it. Oh, but
I don't have any
let
slime.
me pop it one more time. Comment down below if it passed it, cause I don't know, guys. Comment down below if it did. Okay. Now.
Oh, guys, if you want to get a shout out, make sure you give a thumbs up. Click that notification, comment down below so we can know who we're going to give a shout out.
Close your legs, girl. No one see your panties.
Lamia,
Now let's stretch it.
I recorded that and you knew that.
Ooh, stretch real good. Look at that.
Close your legs. You know better.
Oh, Nani gonna be seeing this video. She gonna be saying, "Close
That's
your-"
good because she needs to.
And she gonna say, "Mia, girl, close your legs." That's what she gonna be saying. And she gonna be funny.
No, she not.
Let's do it again, cause
Pull it
It
down.
was like a little hole in it.
Bad girl. No. Nobody want to smell your sticky butt up in the air.
Mia, come on. You want to play slime?
Cordelia. Okay. Now, let's do this well again. Since one is perfect. Now let's do the bubble test. Scoot it back a little bit. Kind of clear and not clear at the same time, but oh yeah. Oh, let's try that one more time. Got glitter all over me. Okay, try one more time. Keep on coming apart, well. If it keeps on coming apart, then
Oh, well. Go to the next
yeah,
part.
let's get to the next slime. I'm gonna keep the slime on me. I'm gonna just break it on around. So here's the next slime. It's like this. All of them are on mine. All of them are mine, if you don't know. But you have 2 of them? That's not fair. I didn't get to have none slime.
Mia, be quiet.
All of them have your slime either. I'm not sure it's either.
You be quiet.
Leave me alone.
Okay, come on.
Here's my slime. And it is well.
Where's some of your slime?
Lit. Oh, that hair came all the way over there. Very glittery.
Oh, some of your slime.
I got gray. If you can see.
Some of your slime.
I don't know what the purple
Gray
is.
glitter.
Oh, they couldn't see that. Wait, what?
Leo, you see that purple slime? Gray
No.
glitter. I gotta go find it. And some blue glitter.
Comment down below which one is your favorite color, silver or blue. So you can get a shout out too.
And I know Anani will shout out all the time, so the glitter can. So let's go on to the test. Now let's do the poke test. I already did it, y'all heard it, but I think it passed.
Can you help me find my slime?
You see me doing a video here.
I can't find the slime.
See me hold on the camera. But do it after, okay?
I can't find it.
Come here, Mia. I know you gonna cry. Come on, come here. I know you gonna cry.
Girl, come focus on the camera. Stop taking care of her like a baby. Okay, now to the stretch test. It passed the poke test.
What is my slime is?
Let's do.
I have to go find it.
No. You don't have to.
Oh, my
watch the movie.
slime. You can watch all about the movie.
I want my slime to take home.
Oh, I got much.
I don't take my slime.
Yeah, I'm not putting it in my hair.
You're dumb.
It passed the stretch test. Now let's do the bubble test.
Hurry up. I don't want to stop recording. Oh my god.
Can I hold your slime?
Where is it? Where is it?
The purple one?
Where is it?
It passed all the tests, but except for the bubble. If you hear anything, sorry, that's my sister's phone. Somebody takes one.
No.
There's something right
From
there.
YouTube.
Yeah,
Probably
on
on
YouTube.
live.
It's my slime. Look.
Or on YouTube, whatever. But did it pass it? Bubble test.
No, it did not. No, it did not.
I said no, it didn't. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stretch all of them and put them in soil so I can see all of them so I can remember them. And my glitter just fell everywhere.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching this
No,
channel.
guys, we're gonna do this fun thingy.
Oh my God! Did they just see you do it?
All of them, on all of them this time. Look at it fast.
Hurry up!
I am. You wanna go sleep because you lazy.
No, I want to watch the movie. Hurry up, SquarePants.
Hint.
I don't think I have SpongeBob. Ooh, look at my showing makeup.
Right now, you're not. You cannot put that in there.
Ew. I'm gonna take this home. Well, here's the
Hurry up, man!
apple and the pears. And the crammers. Ouch.
Okay, guys, here's all the slime.
Close your legs, Mia.
Okay, sorry.
Welcome.
1, 2,
Hey,
3.
I'm getting my purse. I'm getting my purse.
Bye, guys.
But guys, thank you guys for watching. If you want a shout out, make sure you give it a thumbs up, notification, and comment down below. Comment down below which one is your favorite. I forgot glitter in here, the silver one or the blue one. Bye, guys.
Oh, and the question of the day: what is your favorite dessert or fruit?
Yeah, the question of the day is what is your favorite fruit and dessert? Comment down below so you can get a shout out.
Bye.
And tell us if you want a shout out.
And we're gonna do what's it called? Comments out loud and like I don't know, like on Thursday or something, but
We're gonna do it tomorrow, y'all. We're gonna do it tomorrow. Oh
Cookie
my
fans.
God.
She said cookie fans.
So we're all gonna say that one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Bye, cookie fans.
We're gonna say that every time. We're gonna say that every time.